The most common elevator brake is made up of a compressive spring assembly, brake shoes with linings, and a solenoid assembly or an electromagnet. When the solenoid is not energized, the spring forces the brake shoes to grip the brake drum and induce a braking torque. The magnet can exert a horizontal force for the brake release. This can be done directly on one of the operating arms or through a linkage system. In either case, the result is the same. When the brake is pulled away from the shaft, the motion of the elevator is resumed. Do you know what an electromagnet is and how does it work? An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by a flow of electric current. The magnetic field disappears when the current ceases. How do we make an electromagnet? The picture shows the apparatus used to make an electromagnet. Click on the switch to close the circuit. Bring the container of paper clips near the iron nail. What happens to the paper clips? The paper clips are attracted to the iron nail. What happens to the iron nail when there is a current flow through the solenoid? When there is a current flow through the solenoid, the iron nail becomes a magnet or is said to be magnetized. Click on the switch to switch off the current in the circuit. What happens to the paper clips now? The paper clips drop back into the container. What happens to the iron nail when there is no current flowing through the solenoid? When there is no current flowing through the solenoid, the magnetic effect of the iron nail disappears, or the iron nail is demagnetized. An electromagnet is a temporary magnet and is produced only when there is a flow of electric current through a solenoid wrapped around an iron core.